are advocating to think about this world of digital money as a global public good. And in a recent discussion in Zurich, where we both were, what we advocated for is to have a public platform. So when protocols are agreed, this public platform can connect different CBDCs. There can be interoperability, the same way you would transfer euros from one country to another, you do it using CBDCs.
There is going to be one public platform that connects all CBDCs, all the central bank digital currencies from all the different countries. There's going to be one platform that connects it all, guys, and notice how she hits home that point, interoperability, something that Ripple's been hitting home from day one. We know Ripple, a partner of the World Economic Forum, and Kristalina, I think, telling the world now what has been obvious to the XRP community for several years.